Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to withdraw money from Zable to your bank account. So the process for withdrawing money from your Zable to your bank account typically involves these steps. First of all, you could go and launch your Zable app using your application or a web browser. Once logged in, you can go and look for an option like withdraw transfer to bank or something similar in the apps or menu. Then you could go ahead and choose the amount of money you wish to withdraw from your Zable account to your bank account. Make sure you have sufficient funds available in your Zable account for the withdrawal. And if you have multiple bank accounts linked to your Zable account, select the one you wish to transfer the money to. Then you could go and review the transaction details, authenticate the transaction, and initiate the withdrawal. And after that, you could go and wait for the funds to arrive depending on your bank's processing time. It may take a few business days for the withdrawn funds to appear in your bank account. So that's how you could withdraw money from Zable to your bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.